Blessed Wednesday mga ka-faith. Welcome to our Wednesday devotion. Handa ka na bang maging firm and faithful sa iyong walk with God kahit sa mga challenging moments? Alam mo, madalas kapag maayos ang lahat, madali tayong maniwala at magpasalamat. Pero paano kapag may pagsubok? Sabi sa Colossians chapter 2 verse 6 to 7, "So then, just as you received Christ Jesus as Lord, continue to live your lives in Him, rooted and built up in Him, strengthened in the faith as you were taught, and overflowing with thankfulness." Today, let's learn how to stay firm, faith in real moments, and live a life that is consistent, victorious, and thankful sa lahat ng season. Una, faith in every moment. Faith isn't only for good days. Kahit sa trial o stress, hold on to God. Isipin mo yung isang bata na tumutula sa gitna ng bagyo. Hindi niya nakikita ang ulan pero nagtitiwala siya sa kamay ng kanyang mga magulang. Ganon din tayo sa faith. Kahit sa bagyo ng buhay, magtiwala sa Panginoon. Kapag may problema ka, stand firm and pray instead of giving in to fear. And next, integrity in actions. Being firm also means consistent integrity. Hindi lang sa church o sa magagandang season na kamabait, kundi pati sa everyday life. Parang isang puno na may malalim na ugat. Kahit bagyo, hindi matitinag. Be honest sa trabaho, pamilya at relasyon kahit walang nakakakita. This strengthens your spiritual foundation. And then remember God's faithfulness. Always look back and see how God has led you. Sa bawat trial, may aral, may growth at may blessing. And tulad ng mga Israelita sa disyerto, kahit mahirap, nakikita nila ang faithfulness ng Diyos sa bawat hakbang. So kapag natatandaan mo ang goodness ng God sa past, mas madali kang magtiwala sa present. And finally, maintain thankfulness. Thankfulness is your spiritual armor. Kahit hindi mo nakikita ang solusyon, be thankful. It strengthens your faith, your heart. Parang flashlight sa madilim. Magbibigay liwanag kahit sa darkest moment. Start every morning with gratitude kahit sa maliit na bagay. And you'll stay spiritually firm and faithful. So mga ka-faith, tandaan, firm. Faith in real moments. Faith in every moment. Integrity in actions. Remember God's faithfulness and maintain thankfulness. So, ang challenge for today, gawin mong habit na mag-record ng 3 blessings araw-araw at rely on God kahit sa trials. Be consistent, not just sa good days. So, ito yung memory verse natin, Colossians chapter 2, verse 6. Stay rooted, built up, and overflowing with thankfulness. This is Pastor Francis encouraging you to stay firm and faithful. Like, follow, and share para mas maraming faith boost ang marinig. God bless. Shalom.